go. Let's go, boy. Have a day, my boy. You know what it is. Come on, man. You gotta let it.
Fans are getting fired up for week one as the defending Super Bowl AFC participant, Cincinnati Bengals, host their longtime rival, the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Y'all know it. I ain't got to say too much, man. Y'all know what time it is. Week one AFC North ball. It don't get no better, baby.
Hey, man. Robbery game food. It's crazy.
Let's go! Tell me what's going on, man. Let's go! Come on, man. Let's go!
Burrow back to throw, fires toward the 30 where it's intercepted. The Steelers are going to run it back for a touchdown. When the turnover margin is -4 in the half, to be within 11 points seems like a miracle to me.
Execute one play at a time now. Execute one play at a time.
Let's go. Come on. We ain't gotta wait. We do not gotta wait. Just one play.
Burrow takes the snap, gives it to Mixon,
Go,
burst
Joe.
up the middle of the field,
Go, Joe.
racing to the 20, with an angle at the 10, 5, and taken out of bounds inside the 5.
We're gonna see y'all second half for sure. Most definitely. Come back in, 2 points.
Burrow catches the ball, drops back from the 9, throws.
Nice.
It is caught by Tyler Boyd. Touchdown! The Bengals are down by 3.
Let's go, defense. The boys off the field.
Trubisky gets away from Hubbard, throws deep down the middle of the field, and it is incomplete.
They don't get 6 on them the rest of the way.
Let's go, y'all. Dig in.
The Bengals are not dead yet. It is floating toward the goalpost. It is good as the clock hits 0, and the Steelers win it in overtime, 23-20.
It's a whole new team this year, so we still gotta adapt with each other. Still have to learn. We had a good fight today, though, so that was the biggest thing that I cared about the most.
You know, it's the first game, week one. It's football. Like I said, it's a tough sport. It just sucks to lose, period. Be prepared to shake it off and move on to the next.